Hey guys, it's that time of the year again where we, the Mozilla Campus Club of IIT and the FOSS community of IIT bring you the opportunity to participate in Google Hashcode 2022. So Google Hashcode is a global programming competition brought to you by Google to give all the programmers around the world the opportunity to participate and do some competitive programming for the problems given by software engineers at Google.
Any undergraduate from IIT is eligible to participate in a team. Each team must consist of minimum of 2 members and maximum of 4 members in order to be eligible.
The global qualifier round of Google Hashcode 2022 will take place virtually throughout 4 hours, starting on 24th February 11 p.m. till 3 a.m. on the following day.
All the participants who score 1 point in the global scoreboard is entitled with a valuable Google certificate. And the top 3 teams under the IIT Hub had the chance of winning prizes worth over 30,000 rupees.
Registrations for Google Hashcode can be done on Google Hashcode website. But if you need any help, feel free to have a look at our YouTube channel for a step-by-step walkthrough on how you can register for Google Hashcode under IIT Hub.
Deadline for registration closed on the 23rd of February 2022 at 4:30 p.m. So don't miss this chance to take part in the biggest global coding competition from Google.
Don't miss this chance to gain experience in the Google ecosystem and take a chance to progress to the global finals where you can stand a chance to win an employment opportunity at Google. See this next part for a walkthrough on how you can register for the Hashcode and compete under Mozilla IIT Hub.